Hi there, my name is Robert Miller, and I'm going to tell you about finding hidden profits that's right under your nose for landscapers. I'm going to get right to the point because a lot of people that I find on the internet that are explaining things, they go on forever. So I'm going to stop that right now. I'm going to talk particularly about landscapers, and I'm in Vancouver, Canada. Landscapers, you've got different ways of making money in your business. Most of you don't capitalize or monetize, in other words, on all your services that could be possibly available for you. What do I mean? Okay, let's say, for example, you're a landscaping company and you take care of, let's say, manicuring the lawn or trimming the trees okay? And you charge accordingly based on the service you're going to provide. Now, what I have found very interesting, especially in my type of business, which is helping businesses find areas in their revenue streams that they're not making money. Now, what does that mean easily? There's parts of everybody's business that are not monetizing. I help people find people that they're not making any money on. So, example, if you're a landscaper, a good idea would be to partner up with a pool company and have a referral program where you guys say, as an example, you don't have to do this, a 50-50 split. You partner up with a pool company, and those pool companies, they do their maintenance of pools. And before you know it, in a casual conversation, there's a good chance if they have a need for a landscaping function, say like cutting the grass or manicuring the lawn or trimming the hedge or doing something in the flower bed, that pool company could refer something to you for business. I don't know why people don't take this into consideration for any business. The same works with auto mechanics. Why wouldn't you partner up with another company that specializes in, say, cleaning rusty rims and repainting them, resurfacing them, or whatever they do with those rim companies? And the rim company, say, for example, says, well, geez, I see over here you could probably get a little bit of work here. I noticed this on the fender well that you could get some body work over at ABC Body Shop over here, and you split a 50-50 or have a referral feed program base. Nowadays people, it's not that people go online and Google stuff. People go online to find information. They're not looking for a specific business. Forget about paid ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, whatever you want, even on LinkedIn. Forget about paid ads, because right now, what people are doing, they're looking for answers on the internet, and they're not looking for companies. How do I, say for example, here's another one. I recently did a little bit of research on dog parks in Vancouver, because there's a lot of dogs in this whole province, but there's very, very limited areas where they can take them to off-leash parks, whether they're enclosed or not. So when you look on something such as Google Trends and you find out unleashed dog parks near me, they're not looking for a specific city or say like Vancouver. We have so many suburbs here, like Burnaby, New West, Surrey, Pitt Meadows, Burnaby. It just goes on. People are just saying, because Google got very smart, and they're saying in the algorithm, it's picking up people's IP addresses that are looking for things. So if they're looking for a dog park near me, the IP address is telling Google this is where that person is in Vancouver. And if they're looking for unleashed dog park, and it's going to give the whole list. So my point being is, why not partner up with some of these other people? Your competitors are actually your best friends, because it is word of mouth for business. You know, I love giving out the free information for people, you know, and you know something, it's just out there. If you need some information or some help about how to take this to the next level, by all means, you know, I'm going to leave a link in the bottom here about my email. And there's going to be another email somewhere down there, or another link to take you to a place to give you some more information, okay? So have a good weekend. Today is, what is it? June 14th at 4:50 in the afternoon. Have a good weekend. Bye.